Today we're taking a look at these clear plastic shoe boxes for storage. These things are awesome. I bought them on Amazon. I've had them for about a week now and I already love them. I'm going to tell you what size shoe it fits. I'm going to show you how to put them together. I was a little confused at first how to put it together. So I'm going to go over exactly what you get because it kind of threw me for a loop. All right, so you're gonna get a box with 6 of these inside. There's gonna be 2 each, but the sides to the box are these right over here. So you need these pieces to complete the box. There's gonna be 2 packs of these, 6 packs of these. I thought you could put the boxes together without those side pieces. So just note that I have pieces right over here. I'm gonna show you how to put it together. It's actually really easy. They have instructions here, but you don't really even need them. This plastic is a little bit annoying to kind of take off, to be honest. So I just kind of took a scissor just like this to kind of just open it just like that. So if you're having trouble, just grab a scissor and kind of go with that. It kind of gets like stuck a little. So once we have this off, this is going to be your actual base. These are going to be your sides right over here. So it's just 2 sides. You want to just find it, line it up, and it'll be obvious where to put them. So this side's gonna go like this. So you're just gonna line it up. You're gonna put that like that. Super easy. Boom, it clicks in. You're just looking for this little gap right over here to match that. Then we're gonna get this one over here. Again, pretty easy. You want to make sure these are facing out. I did make that mistake before. So once we got that lined up, you're just gonna line it up just like that. That is snapped in now. All right, now that the 2 sides are snapped in, we're just gonna put this top piece on right over here. That is gonna snap in nice and easy. And then we're gonna shut the door on it, and then everything is good to go. This is super durable. You could fit, it says it fits up to a size men's 12, but to be honest, I'm a size 13, and we're gonna find out if my shoes do fit in there. So we're just gonna push this back right over here. You'll see we got that going just like that. Super easy. If you're not doing this on camera to make a video, you could probably get these assembled in, I don't know, call it a minute or two. And then I found it's easier to put this just like that, get that snapped just like that. Now, they also come with these right over here. So what you're going to do with these, you can stick these in the bottom right over here, which makes these stackable. So this is my shoe box right over here. So these are a size 13 and it does fit. It kind of just gets to the size of it right over here. I do want to show you so you can see right over here. Size 13 right over there. So when it goes in the shoebox, just like this, you'll see right over here, they go right there. It's right up to the edge right over here. The door does shut and it does close. So just note that. Maybe depends on what shoes you have. So these are a pair of Nike running shoes that are a size 13 and they fit perfectly. Dust does not get in here. It's totally enclosed. If dust did get on the top of this, you could just wipe it off, but it won't get on the inside of this. Now, if you had somewhat of a bigger shoe, I kind of got a pair of bigger slippers over here. So these are kind of like bigger, like kind of think Uggs like, also a size 13. These also, you'll see here, do fit inside of here. It's a little bit of a tighter fit, so just note that. But they do fit in here just like that. So if you have like a wider foot or like a shoe like this, you might have to assort them in a different way. But really, really like these a lot. I like the fact that it's clear. I like the fact that they're stackable. You can literally just put them like this. You'd actually have to put those little pigs inside. But this is what it would look like if they're sitting on top of each other. And then if you wanted this one up here, just pull that down and close that. And if you wanted this one, pull down and do that. So if you're looking for some great shoe storage boxes that are clear, don't get dust in them, can literally be put together in about a minute, and have doors that you can open. You could just see everything. They are also stackable. You're going to get 12 of these. Definitely check these out. I absolutely love these. And just remember, you need this one and a plastic piece to get to these together. I hope you found this review helpful. and you get a great shoebox for you.